welcome back to multi-channel YouTube surfaces and intermits. This video is about troubleshooting and fixing some tricks about kitchen oven. If you have any problem with your kitchen oven, I hope this video will help you to kind of troubleshoot and find out what's the problem and fix it. So as you see here, the oven, there's like a manual and automatic. So the automatic not working, but the manual, those dial switches up and down, one start, one stop. And as you see here, those, if they have a special position, one only position to be set on. If you accidentally turn it left or right, each one, basically the oven won't working anymore. So trick is just simply by reset and both of them at one position, and you can hear the click. It could be that simple. And as soon as you turn one of them like left or right, the simply oven won't work anymore. So twist until you hear the click and then push start. That's how you start your oven manually. As soon as you press, it will start the ovens. Press bottom one, will stop. So this could be one very simple reason if your oven stopped working. And in this video I will be kind of troubleshooting more, just in case if that's not the case, if not the reason. As simple as this, and could be like a fuse or troubleshooting wiring or breakers or anything. This oven in an old model, I don't know how old is it, but it is quite at least maybe 20 years or so, maybe more old. In the back, most of the ovens usually comes with the blueprint. Tells you pretty much simple all the wiring, fuses, breakers and sensors and everything else you need to know. It should it comes with stickers in the back, if not on the instruction manuals or so. This is simple. All the instruction and the wiring and diagnosis blueprint and everything, it's located on this oven, as you see, sticker. So the oven has few sensors and fuses. Most of the time, one of those sensors or fuse or breaker blow out or something, or burn, then you need to replace it. To find out which one is for, there's 7 in this particular one. Some of them comes with even more or so, and so each fuse tells you what is for. And to open the panel in the back, simply you need to unplug the power, very important. And some oven, it has a cover on the top. how to remove the door. Simply each door is specific made and like has a different way to remove it. This one, however, has like hooks, one in the top, one in the bottom of each side. Simply by lifting up the door, and it just comes out easy. When you put it back again, first start on the top hook, then the bottom one, and simply the door will take the place easy. So if in case if you have the light is not working, simply there is like only way to find out either the bulb is burned or the switch. In this case, of course there was no bulb, so I'm just putting new one in, and very important to put bulb, no LED or any such as like plastic or melting material on the bulb. Make sure the light bulb has to be made of metal and glass only, like no LED, no electrical circuits inside the light bulb also, and because the heat pretty much get a lot of heat on it, and if it's not the right bulb, simply will melt and blow up. So here there's one switch for the oven, light oven, and the other, this is the main one to turn it on and off, and the second one for the door. When you close the door, the light will switch off, or when you open it, basically the light, open, lights on, close it, lights off. Now it's just simple trick, and as you see, basically as soon as you turn those two dials, stop and start, set them in the right position, and everything will work simply. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. All the best. See you next video.